We will try to understand the following concept: what is green building, why we need green building, what are the benefits of green building in Mumbai, and what are the types of green building. Is a green building. When I said green building, you must think a building with a green color or a building with full of plants planted on it. But it's not like that. A green building is a building that, in its design, construction, or operation, reduce or eliminates negative impacts and can create positive impacts on our climate and natural environment. Green building preserve precious natural resource and improve our quality of life. While manufacturing of green building, possibly every material is made by reuse and recycle, and this makes the green building efficient and environmental friendly, and most of the time renewable energy is used in a green building. What is renewable energy? Renewable energy is useful energy that is collected from renewable resources which are naturally replenished on a human timescale, including carbon neutral sources like sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. Why we need green building technology? The total average population of Mumbai is nearly 18.4 million. The total average electric consumption of Mumbai is 1500 to 1900 megawatts, and according to study, Indians' electric consumption will touch 4 trillion units by 2030. There is 10 to 20% water shortage in Mumbai, and it will rise to 40% by 2030. Green building can give solution to all these problems. What are the benefits of green building? Protecting health, improve employee productivity, conservation of energy, water and natural resources, reduction in CO2 emissions, reduction of pollution and global warming, use of non-toxic and sustainable material, a building which is suitable in all conditions. Green building in Mumbai. All Cargo Logistics Limited is a part of Avasya Group, is a logistic firm headquartered in Mumbai. The All Cargo building in Mumbai is a stunning blue colored glass facade building that stands apart from the rest of the lot with its curved and free flowing design. The building is famous for its look and is equally famous for what it has managed to achieve as a green building. Mumbai has about 20% of the green building in India, and the All Cargo building is one of the finest of Mumbai's green building. New structure is raised around the core of an old-fashioned commercial building, the old Avasya House. The idea behind the revamping was to change the existing structure into a more energy-efficient working building to make it more contemporary and in consonance with principle of sustainability. The look and the efficiency of the building had to be worked upon, and glass was chosen as a key defining feature because of the green factor and because of the distinctly different feel it would give to the whole building. SGG Evo Orion blue glass was chosen as the idea glass for the purpose of the facade, as it offered advanced solar control coupled with a high degree of transparency. A double glazing allows the building to regulate heat generated through refracted sunlight, hugely reducing the air conditioning need, reducing cost and energy consumption simultaneously. Design elements that have great utility were introduced into the design. They were not mere cosmetic addition but elements that added to the structure productivity. For example, aluminium section fins on the facade, 1 foot in width that run in circle, add an extra relief to the external design while also acting as effective sunshade. Rainwater harvesting was incorporated to make the whole building more environmentally responsible and to bring the green element into the overall layout. Landscaping with ample patches of green was introduced. The All Cargo buildings is an example of how simple design solutions like the strategic use of glass can positively impact the sustainability of the whole building, and how the revamping process can give the building a completely different look. What are the types of green building? Net zero concepts. Their building can create its own energy with the help of renewable resources, and it can create energy beyond the requirement. Therefore, it is also called energy plus buildings. WAC, heating, ventilation and air conditioning. Almost every building's 50% of energy is used on heating, ventilation and air conditioning. With the help of WAC system, we can control heat, cold and dehumidified or in our home and office, and can adjust temperature according to our comfort. WAC system aim is to make less consumption of electricity. Low emitting materials. Low emitting material is the material by which there is no harm to natural resources, and almost every material is non-toxic and sustainable. Solar power. With solar power buildings, we can use our home appliances easily and can reduce the cost of our electric bills. Making solar power building is a high cost investment, but it will return a long term profit.